Third routine, third workouts. Wide Flutter Laying Kicks. 40-plus men core and lower abs workout routine. Wide Flutter Laying Kicks by chair strengthen lower abs, hips, core stability. Perfect beginner-friendly seated workout for men 40-plus, improving endurance, posture, and mobility. You will get amazing benefit in fast, thigh joint, lower abs boundary circle, legs power, knee joint strength, etc. I am telling you will understand even in your first week. I am telling this, got it? I personally love this you to do in your daily workout session routine-wise. Avoid neck strain, breath holding, and lower back pain. Learn controlled moves with core tightness for safer, stronger abs. Breathing. Breathe steadily during the movement. Inhale slowly while extended legs and exhale while squeezed back. Keep your core tight and avoid holding your breath for better control and endurance. How to do this? Sit firmly on floor and keep the chair middle of your legs. Lean slightly back. Extend legs wide parallel and squeeze back to chest direction. Just slowly repeat 3 to 5 times. Keep abs tight. Move slowly with balance. Lie on back. Keep neck relaxed, core tight. Extend legs slowly. Inhale. No jerking or knee lock. Initially, 5 reps per leg equals 10 total. Do 3 sets. Rest between. Only 15 minutes a day, 3 days a week. Month 2, 10 reps leg, 3 sets. Month 3, 20 reps leg, 3 sets. Slowly plus concentrate. Why you do this? Strengthens lower abdominal muscles. Improves hip flexibility and mobility. Enhances seated balance and posture. Supports core endurance for beginners 40+. Low impact exercise for joint-friendly fitness. Helps improve circulation and leg activation of 40+ men's health for sure. Benefits: stronger lower abs, less back pain, better core control, and safer spinal alignment. Just to update you, I am working to start a new physical training session for you all. If you like my initiate to save all of our life, please subscribe and push the bell button to get next fast transformation workouts, 40+ men's fitness vibe, training session, and routines. Disclaimer: I am not a medical professional. If you have any pre-existing conditions or illness, please consult your doctor before following these exercises. This is mandatory for your safety.